Hello, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. A mouth-watering egg curry recipe that's not only easy to make but also packed with flavors. If you're a fan of eggs and love a good curry, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Now, let's check out what we need for our egg curry. For this recipe, you'll need 6 boiled eggs, 2 large onions, finely chopped, 3 tomatoes, pureed, 2 green chilies, chopped, 1/2 cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, fresh coriander for garnish, salt to taste, cooking oil. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once hot, add the finely chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and sauté until the raw smell disappears. This will form the flavorful base of our curry. Now, pour in the pureed tomatoes. Cook them down until the oil starts to separate. This will give our curry a rich and luscious texture. Time to add our spices. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well and let the spices meld with the tomato-onion base. For creaminess and a touch of tanginess, stir in 1/2 cup of yogurt. This will balance out the spices and make our egg curry irresistibly delicious. Gently add the boiled eggs to the curry. Ensure each egg is coated in the flavorful sauce. Let it simmer for a few minutes, allowing the eggs to absorb the aromatic spices. Sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala for that final burst of flavor. Give it a good stir, and you'll start to smell the amazing aroma of our egg curry. Our egg curry is almost ready. Garnish with fresh coriander for a pop of color and extra freshness. Serve it hot with steamed rice or your favorite bread, and there you have it, a plate full of comfort and flavor. That's it for today's recipe, folks. If you enjoyed this egg curry tutorial, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below if you have any other recipes you'd like us to try. Until next time, happy cooking!